So let's talk about how to create a store on Flutterwave.com. So if you watch my previous videos, we talked about how to create a Flutterwave account. And one thing that Flutterwave gives you is that you can have your own store on Flutterwave for free. This is important because Flutterwave is a trusted payment gateway and they are building a lot of traffic to their platform. So it's going to help your conversion and help you sell more products. So for you to create a store, you need to have a Flutterwave account, a verified Flutterwave account. I already have a video on that, and I'm going to put a link to Flutterwave and how you can create an account on Flutterwave. So once you are verified, you are going to see an interface like this, and right here you can just come to store. So this is how you create your store. So you can use other part of Flutterwave without creating the store, but if you want to have your own store, let's say you don't have your website, you can use this. So you come to store, and this is where you see everything about your store. So if you click on overview, you see everything about your store, like the total amount of money you've made. So as you can see here, you see the total order you've processed, the net sales, the gross sales, the discounted and the non-discounted. You see your top performing products. You see the number of people who viewed your product. You see how many people who added it to your carts. You see how many people who reached checkout, how many people who abandoned the checkout and all of that. If you come here, you see the number of orders you have. So you can see orders, the completed orders, the not completed orders. If you click on this, you see the information of these people, and then you can call them. There's an email. That's of course if they filled it or if they got to this point. So if you come at the top here, you can see the difference. You can set the order by the ID and all of that. So this is where you create the product. So, and this is where you also find all of your products. So we'll come back to that shortly. This is where you find all your customers, all the people who have purchased from you. You are going to see their names and their phone numbers, and you can reach out to them if need be and stuff like that. So if you want to create discount codes, this is where you create discount codes. So if you want people to have a discount, you can come here, click on the discount code. Again, we'll come back to that. So you need to create a store first before you can do all of that. So this is where you create your store categories. So let's say you sell different kind of things like bags, sunglasses, wigs and stuff. So you can create different categories for each of them. So it's going to make it easy for people to see the products in that category. So if you come here, this is where you manage your store. This is where you find your store link after you've created a store, and you can come here, edit the store. You can activate this to receive announcement. This is if you have some customers already, you can apply to join the Flutterwave marketplace so that your product will be displayed on their marketplace. So they have some criteria that you have to reach first. So you have to read these things before you can apply. So if you come here, you can set the shipping method. So Flutterwave is trying to take over e-commerce, and they have the option to use their own partners for shipping if you want, or you can say I'll handle my own shipping. But if you don't even ship at all, let's say this is a digital product or people have to come to your shop, then you can turn off this shipping. So this is where you find the store templates, and this is where we want to start creating our store from. So you can select anyone you like from here. You can select any template you like from here, and then you can apply it. So for me, I like this first one, so I'm going to click on use this template. So that's the first thing you need to do to start building your website or your store. So we have created our template. So if you come to manage store here, you can copy this. This is going to be your store link. Of course, it has to carry your own name. So you can come to the edit store here, and you can change the name of your store. You can change the URL. The moment you change the name, the URL changes. You can select the entire store category, what your store is about. All right. And then you can write a store description. You can upload a banner for your store. and then you can add your social sharing. This image is when people share your post, this is going to appear, right? It's like a banner, so you can add that too if you wanted. So now we have what our store looks like. Let's go and see if we have anything there. So you can click and go to your own store to see what it looks like. So far this is what this store looks like, because I have just one product on it. So this is how it's going to display, and people can basically buy and select sizes. But let's go back and set up these things properly. So we now have a store. The moment you create your store, you need to add products to this store. So you come to products here, and then as you can see, this is a product we just saw. So you can see all your products, but let's come here and click on add a product. So you click on add a product, and this is where you name your product. Let's say I am selling a microphone. I can just come call it a Boya microphone. So your own can be anything that you want. So if I come here, I'm going to write a description for this microphone. So I'm going to say this is a condenser microphone for YouTubers and content creators. So you basically have your own product description. So you come here, you can, if you have a video of this product on YouTube, you can put it here if you wanted, but I don't have, you don't need to do that actually. So if you want to create a price slash, so let's say you want to say this product used to be 50,000, now it's 25,000. You can come here and write 50,000, and then this is the new price. You come here, you write 25,000. So you can say they can show the discount in currency value, or they can show it in percentage. We want it to be in currency value, so that they know how much they are gaining, or the bonus they are getting. So you can write the number of stock. If this product, if you have, let's say we have just 20 or 15, you can write that there is 15 in stock. So when it reaches 15, if 15 persons buys it, the product will no longer be available. So you can come here and select the category. Of course, you must have created this category when you create category. So I'm just going to put it here, and then you can select this subcategory. Let's say it's under electronics. All right, this is for the marketplace. So if you join the marketplace, this is where they are going to list it. All right, this is where they are going to list it. So if the product has different variations, you can add it here. Like if it has, let's say you sell footwear, it has size 35, size 32 and stuff. So you can put the different sizes here so that people can select the sizes that they want. So once you have done all of that, you can come here. This is where you click to add the image. You can add a maximum of 5 images. So I'm just going to look for a picture that I'm going to add right here. So this is going to be the picture of your products that are on display. So I just added these 2 random pictures. Of course, your own is going to be better than mine. So this video is just to show you how to do this. So you have your product ready, and you want to check that everything you have done is correct. So you can come here, click on add product, but we want to add the weight here. You can say this product weighs, because this is a physical product, you can say it weighs 0.5. Let's see if they allow that. So you need to add the product weight. So we are adding our products now. So as you can see, our product has been added successfully. So how do you see this product? You can basically click on the product, and then you can generate a QR code for this product. So you can share QR codes if you wanted, but this is what the product is going to look like. So you can come to product options, you can take it offline, you can delete it if you wanted, whatever you want you can do. So let's just save this product, and let's go back to our store to see if we can find this product. So let me refresh this, and then this is going to be our store name. Remember, you have to set the store name for your store. All right, so if you click on this, it should take you to your own store. So if you come here, you can see these are the two things. These are the two products we have on our store. So your brand name is going to show, your email address, and then your phone number, and then the review. So this is the theme that we selected. So the more products we add, the better it's going to look. So if somebody wanted to buy this, as you can see, we have 50,000, 25,000. So the importance of Flutterwave is that if they click on this and they want to buy it, Flutterwave is going to make it easier for them to buy. So let's say we wanted to buy 2 of it, we can now click add to cart, and they can go to the cart to complete this purchase. So they can come here, click on continue, and this is where they fill their names, their phone number, and all of that. So let me just use a dummy name for this. So let's see, good. I'm just going to put a fake email address here just so you see what I'm talking about. So you add, again, I'm going to add a dummy phone number here. So don't call this number. This is a dummy phone number. So if you created a discount code, they can add a code here and then apply to get the discount, but we don't have any discount. So they can come here, click on place order. They want me to add a valid phone number. So let's say 2468. So let's hope that works. So you will click on place this order, and so once they click on pay now, they can come here, select the method of payment. They can use their card, they can use USSD, and they can use bank transfer. So let's say we wanted to use bank transfer. It's going to automatically generate an account number for us that they can pay into. So the moment they pay into it, you are going to get a notification. As you can see, it instantly generates this account number, and then they can pay into it. And the moment they pay into it, you'll be able to receive this money, and then you can send your product to them. So this is how you can create a store on Flutterwave for free. So you can add as much product as you want. And if this video has been helpful, like the video, subscribe. My name is Noel, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye bye.